Layers are used to control the appearance of elements in your model. As a project progresses, it can become difficult to work with because of the number of objects that are displayed on the screen. You can turn off the display of objects by turning off the layers that the object is associated with. For example, in this plan, we see that we have a lot of framing being displayed, which makes it a little bit cluttersome and hard to work with when we want to do interior design, placing furniture and fixtures and things like that. So to turn off the display of the framing layers, we're going to go to Tools, Display Settings, Display Options, or we can click on the toolbar button for display options here. In the Layer Display Options dialog, it'll show you a list of all the layers that are saved with the plan. We can tell what layers are currently in use by the red plus indicator here, and which ones are being displayed in the view that we have open by the check marks in the display column here. So since we want to turn off the display of framing, we'll scroll over to the framing layers here, and we'll turn off all the check marks here for all the framing that we don't want to see. Okay, there we go. We'll click OK, and right away we see that our framing is hidden from us, so now we can work more with the interior of the plan. Now, another thing that you might want to know about the layer display options is that it can also be accessed in a 3D view. So here I've just grabbed a normal full camera and opening up a picture of our kitchen here. And if we wanted, for example, to not see the cabinets, we could go back into that Layer Display Options dialog and turn off the layers for cabinets in their camera view set. So we'll turn off wall cabinets and base cabinets and full cabinets, and we'll click OK. And then the display of our cabinets are hidden from us, so we could, for example, put electrical outlets behind the cabinets that we weren't able to see before. So no matter whether or not you're in plan view or a cross section or a full camera view, there's a layer set available for turning off the display of items in those views.